Okay, so don't take these trainings just on the go, okay, walking and just traveling. Don't take this training like this. You should have a notepad. You should have an open mind, distraction-free environment. Okay, so these are very powerful concepts I want to share with you. Okay, so just check it out. So I'm just drawing this just to explain you a concept. Can you guess what is this? Can you guess, anybody, while I'm drawing? Are you curious? No clue. Path? No, not at all. Clueless, okay? Most of you. Just a graph, just to explain a concept, okay? Now just imagine, like from left to right, imagine this as time. Imagine this as time. And now say, for example, this point is, let's consider this as our memory, human memory. And this point, let's consider this as affects. Okay. Time is money? Not at all. Just, okay, good guess, but let me go ahead to explain this concept. So this is a very, very important thing which I want to share with you, because the topic which we're going to cover today is related to what I'm going to explain to you now. Memory. Okay, so let's forget about being a networker, being an online businessman. Let's forget about it. See, before becoming a world-class digital networker, first we have to become a world-class human being. When I say world-class human being, I want to say that person who is disciplined, person who is consistent, person who has good habits. If you become a good human being, like you might have heard this quote, that is, the way you do one thing, the same way you do everything. All those people who say that, okay, I tried network marketing, I tried this business, but I failed. And if they try another business, there are strong chances that they will fail again. The reason is because this is now their habit. This is how their mind works. This is how their emotions work. Their emotions are very fluctuating. So to explain this concept, let me tell you, as a human being, don't you think that we always have some memory? Whatever action we take today. Now, suppose this is the action which we take today. Now, today is DNA inner circle meeting, and the action which we all are taking right now is to attend this particular team meeting. Okay, inner circle call. This is the action which is happening right now. Now, don't you think day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, 1 week after this call, you all will forget what we discussed today? Yes or no? Let's be very clear. Okay, let's be very you can say, let's talk truth here. Okay, so yes or no, does this happen whenever we take any kind of training? Now suppose if you buy any courses, you learn something, it is really truly overwhelming, you learn so many things, you get the memory, you take the action, you learn something, but after some time this learning fades away. The reason is because after some time this memory fades away. And when this memory fades away, and now there are two types of things. One is, there are two things happening. One thing is happening in our mind, that is, we forget things what we learned today. Whatever action we take, now action can be in a form of a learning, action can be in a form of some implementation which you do because your mentor has told you to do this. Now in DNA Club, if you have gone through 3 days system setup challenge, if you have gone through lead generation system setup, if you've gone through content marketing mastery, most of you have started to create your own YouTube channel. Most of you have started to put your post on Quora, Instagram and Facebook, right? So because you have a very strong memory right now, because you are really inspired, because you are attending these weekly meetings, now what is happening? You have a very strong memory right now. And in first 3 days with full of enthusiasm, you take action. And because you take action without expecting anything, you just take action and you start creating your YouTube channel. After some time, you forget about the kind of video. Even I have forgotten the videos which I have uploaded on my YouTube channel 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 2 years ago. Even I don't remember what I have shared, what type of knowledge, what type of concepts I have shared in that particular video. Even sometimes I open my older videos. Even sometimes I get impressed for myself. Okay, sometimes my video impress me. Okay, this is a very good concept. Okay, so what happens whenever we learn something new? At that moment, when I shot a YouTube video, maybe at that time I read a book. Maybe at that time I was following a mentor, and because I was following the right mentor at that time, I had a very good memory that time. Because of that, I created a digital content, or you can say a digital asset. Got it? So maybe I read a book, Atomic Habits. Maybe I read a book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or whatever. Okay, these kind of books. And I have a very good memory. That's why I took action and I created my digital assets in a form of a YouTube video. And when I uploaded that YouTube video is an evergreen video, because the concepts which I shared in my video was basically an evergreen concept, something related to make money, something related to mindset. It was valid 2 years ago. It is still valid even today, and it is going to be useful after 5 years from today also. So it was because of my sharp memory. At that moment, I created these digital assets. And today, after 2 years, I have totally forgotten what actually I shared in that particular video. So what happens as a person, as a human being, we forget what we did 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 1 year ago, 2 years ago. But sometimes what happens, we forget about what we have done, but something which we have done, if something which we have done absolutely right, if something we have done right, this is going to give us effects in the future, even if we forget. It does not matter. Yes or no? So this is a very deep concept which I want to share with you. That is, as a human being, when we are totally charged up, when we are in momentum, this momentum may not last forever. This momentum, this motivation, this learning, that initial motivation to buy a course and watch the videos, and when you take action, there's so many people who don't take action. If people who don't take action, they have no memory. Okay, they are totally wasting their time. But those people who just took action because of their mentors' instructions, and if they are doing something right, sometimes we forget about, sometimes we say, okay, I created one YouTube video, nobody is watching my video, only 200 views, 500 views, 1000 views. Even there are so many videos. Initially in first month, I got only 800,000 views, but after 2 years, now they have more than 1 lakh views. Those videos are still giving me leads, are still generating business for me. So I have forgotten about what I shared there, but the effect, this is totally non-human thing. Okay, I may lose it in memory, but after some time, it may give me good effect. Only and only if I am creating digital assets, if I am taking some action. Do you agree with this concept? Yes or no? So now you can say that here we are learning multiple things. Number one, the after effect of what we do today. Whatever we are earning today, whatever you are earning today, it is basically not because what you did yesterday or day before yesterday. It is because what you did 1 year or maybe 6 months or 1 year, 2 years ago. So our present is basically the result of what we did in the past. And whatever we have done in last 1 year, 2 years, our memory, we forgot that. But after effects, that nature, okay, that particular asset, it still works for us. Now, this is one thing, okay? So one thing which we have learned here is patience. Very important word. And especially in network marketing, one of the primary reasons why people lose focus is because of lack of patience. But if you know that you are putting the right effort, whatever you do today is going to give you long-term effects. So you must have a long-term vision for whatever you are doing today. Patience. Another thing which you will very clearly see, especially in our business, is your family members will say, okay, you are into network marketing, you have been in this business for 2 months or whatever, 1 month, 2 months, you're not getting any result, no paycheck, only 100 rupees, 200 rupees. Why are you wasting time in network marketing? Yes or no? How many of you have got this kind of feedback from your family members, or maybe from your prospects, also, maybe from your friends? Okay, you did some prospecting, your friend says, how much are you earning? And sometimes we feel very scared. Okay, how should I reply to this question? Okay, how much are you earning? I'm not earning anything. I don't have a Ferrari. What to do? So it does not matter. If you're into network marketing, it does not mean that every networker will have a Ferrari, because every person has gone through a journey. This is a journey which we have to go through. So you have to be patient. You have to patient, and also at the same time, the feedback from other people. This is known as a feedback. We can write here feedback. Okay. When we get feedback from other people, okay, you're not earning anything, let's forget about network marketing, do some other business, that webinar, this webinar, shiny object syndrome. And because of this negative feedback, many people, they quit network marketing and they go to some other business. They try some other thing. But now this becomes habit. Okay. Because your memory right now is very, very sharp. Your memory is right now, okay, if I talk about initial days, your memory is very sharp about the kind of efforts you have put. You will find so many people who will say, I have done so much of effort. I have put so much of effort. I have done prospecting with 20 people, 30 people. I'm not getting any results, because that memory is very sharp right now. Okay, how much effort you have put, but there is no effect. That's why this memory is actually causing this kind of negative thing. And your family members, they know that you are not earning anything, and they give you negative feedback, and people generally they lose track and they change the direction. And when they change the direction, they have to start again everything. Whatever business you do again, you have to start everything from fresh. And again, you will create a new memory, new actions, everything you start new. And this is actually, you are losing your time. You're actually wasting your time by changing your track very quickly. Don't change your track. Instead of changing the business, it is time to make changes in the business. That is much, much better. Agree with me with this statement? Don't change the business, make changes in the business. Yes or no? So another thing which we have learned here is think long term. Whatever we are taking action today, is this going to give me effects in long term? Yes or no? This is an important, very important question. So maybe right now you are little negative, or you are little frustrated about about your results for last 1 month, because your memory says last 1 month you have put your effort, but you're not making any money. Don't worry about it. You have to keep some patience. Stay away from these negative feedbacks, okay? Because you have to understand this one action. If you are creating assets each and every day, this is going to give you long-term effects, even if you forget your efforts, okay? And this is known as compounding. Compounding means small efforts. If you put each and every day for a long time, this is going to give you amazing results. I'm going to connect all these things with what we're going to discuss today. We are going to discuss about YouTube. We're going to discuss about YouTube. And YouTube is one platform where, because of initial excitement, people, they start a YouTube channel. In 1 or 2 months, they are not consistent, and they see some other YouTuber who has started creating vlogs. Somebody is saying something else, and we get inspired from the kind of views which they are getting. And ultimately, then we start creating bad quality content, and ultimately it is going to hurt our long-term effects. So the thing is, what can we do today which can give us long-term effects and which can actually give you security and stability in long term? Okay. The last point which I want to share with you with this thing is, our memory may fade away after some time, but what we can do today, maybe our memory will fade away, but what we can do so that our effects, long-term effects, should be really very positive. Got it? So another thing is, there are so many people who still say, okay, and especially this is very common in network marketing, that is, there's so many people who are still having this kind of mindset that there is nothing, network marketing cannot be online. Okay, this is online. Okay, they're still saying things like this. Now, what I want to share with you is, don't fight. This is truly, you're wasting your time. Don't fight change. Accept the changes. Don't fight changes in the market. There are so many people, especially people who are 40 plus, 45 plus, they always fight with the changes. They always think like, no, we have done network marketing for the last 20 years. for last 15 years, you don't know how this works. And they're always fighting with the changes. But let me tell you, the world is now changing really very fast. It is not the world, it is actually human beings. And our prospects are changing really very, very fast. And if they are changing, their habits are changing, now it's time for us to also change. So don't fight changes, because if you fight changes, you are actually fighting future. And you can never fight the future. The only way you can sustain in the business is to adapt the future. Agree with this point or not? So whatever you are learning today, maybe today, YouTube, I am suggesting you all to go to YouTube, become a YouTuber. You may become little demotivated after some time. You will find only 100 views, 200 views, nothing is happening. Nobody is clicking on my landing page. Nobody is downloading my lead magnet. I'm not generating leads. Don't worry. As a mentor, I would just say, don't worry, keep improving, keep building assets, keep building assets, keep building assets. Don't fight the changes. You have to adapt it. There is no other way. Now, being a member of DNA Club, every week, I am here to help you to adapt these changes. Now, you have to keep your mind open. We are coming up, Facebook has now changed to Metaverse. Now, Instagram so quickly changes. So, there's so many changes in last 6 months. Instagram itself, they have done so many changes in their user interface, in their app. YouTube, so many changes they are doing. And what we have to do is just to adapt. So don't fight the changes, adapt the future. Are you finding this useful so far? So that's why all of you who are still thinking, no, I would like to again keep doing network marketing in the old traditional way, I will do DMs, I will call people, cold calling, all those kind of things. Stop it. Okay, stop it and adapt. It is time to adapt. And that's why today I want you to focus on one tool, which is YouTube. Now I'm going to share with you something really very insightful, or you can say something really very inspiring. I'm going to share with you some stories behind some videos which I have uploaded on my YouTube channel few years ago, and what kind of result I'm getting even from those videos. Even I don't remember what I said in those videos. Okay, are you interested to know about it? Today I don't want to share with you, okay, this is YouTube SEO, this is this and that. I just want to keep it very, very simple. You already have access to YouTube, you already have access to all the trainings on internet. What we have to do here in this meeting is to open up our mind, understand the stories, and understand the real life cases of the power of this beautiful tool, YouTube, and why I am so much confident about my future, why I'm so much, I feel so much secure myself and for my family, is because I am consistently creating some assets. Okay, and I'm going to give you some tips in just a few minutes from now.